Okay, so I've ran out of bobbin on my Pfaff 1245 sewing machine. So now is going to be the best time to oil it because there's a oil hole underneath here. Right there. You want to put some oil down there. Okay. So, how to oil your Pfaff 1245 sewing machine. So basically, come on. Gotta do this one-handed. See all these red holes here? You just give a drop. Just a drop. One drop. Oh, there we go. There we go. Okay, so those are your top holes. Don't oil these non-red ones. You don't need to oil these. You just need to oil the red ones. Let's see, put one right down there. There we go. Right down. And if you oil them too much, oh well, right? It's better that you over oil them than not oil them at all. Okay. Now, you're going to need one down here. Boom, boom. Down here in the bobbin case right there. There we go. Oops, excuse me. There we go. Just give it a good oil. And when in doubt, just oil everything. So, come on. Stop. Alright. Any other is back here. Nope, that seems to be about everything. So, there you go. That is how you oil your Pfaff 1245 sewing machine.